If you're editing audio, making beats, mixing vocals, or even just vibing to your favorite playlist while working, your monitor speakers matter. Laptop speakers and basic desktop audio just don't cut it. So in this video, we're checking out the best studio monitors of 2025 that totally deserve a spot on your desk. Whether you're a music producer, content creator, or just want clean sound that hits different. Let's start strong with a classic, the KRK Rokit 5G5. If you've been around any studio, you've definitely seen that iconic yellow cone. And yeah, the 5th generation is better than ever. These are 5-inch powered studio monitors, and they give you that tight, punchy bass and super detailed highs that KRK is known for. The sound is flat enough for mixing, but still has a vibe that makes casual listening super fun. If you're producing music, doing sound design, or even streaming with a setup that needs legit sound clarity, these are a no-brainer. Plus, they come as a pair, ready to plug in and go. Check the link below if you want studio-level sound with proven KRK quality. If you're on a budget but still want great near-field sound, the PreSonus Eris 3.5 monitors are low-key amazing. These are compact, 3.5-inch powered speakers, perfect for small studios, bedrooms, or even desktop setups where space is tight, but clarity still matters. You're getting a super flat frequency response, which is great for mixing and editing. Plus, there's a front headphone jack, volume knob, and even acoustic tuning knobs on the back to tweak the sound based on your room. It's super user-friendly for beginners, but still accurate enough for real work. If you're just getting into music production or content creation, this is one of the best entry-level speaker pairs to start with. Link in the description if clean, affordable sound is what you're after. Next up is another awesome compact pick, the Mackie CR3.5. These 3.5-inch speakers are all about getting solid clarity with some fun low-end energy. They're not completely flat like some of the high-end monitors, but that's actually great if you want studio-quality sound that still slaps while you're listening casually. They're perfect for creators who want to edit audio, play games, and chill to music all from the same setup. There's even a volume knob with a power switch on the front, and inputs for everything from RCA to AUX to Bluetooth, depending on the version you get. So if you want something reliable, clear, and compact that's super easy to use, this is a great pickup. Link in the description if Mackie's clean, casual style fits your vibe. Here's something versatile and surprisingly awesome, the Ortizan C7 dual-mode monitors. These are 2.0 studio monitors with a twist. Not only do they offer wired audio for near-field production, but they also support Bluetooth 5.3, which makes them perfect for switching between your DAW and your phone in one tap. They're loud, punchy, and designed for music production, gaming, and casual listening. The soundstage is wide for a speaker this size, and the dual-mode support gives you options depending on what you're doing. Work mode, wired, chill mode, Bluetooth. If you want one pair of speakers that can handle both your work and downtime without compromising too much in either direction, this is the one. Hit the link if flexibility is at the top of your list. Now, if you're ready to go full pro, the Atom Audio T5V bundle is where it's at. These 5-inch monitors are known for their ultra-flat response, ridiculously crisp highs, and tight, controlled low end. Perfect for mixing, mastering, and serious audio work. What makes this bundle even better is that it includes isolation pads to reduce vibrations, TRS to XLR cables, and a bonus 25-foot XLR cable set. So it's literally plug-in ready out of the box and designed for proper studio setups. If you're doing professional work or want to grow into that level, Atom Audio is trusted in studios worldwide, and the T5V delivers sound that's clear, uncolored, and honest. Check the description if you're serious about your audio game. If you care about how your content sounds, your monitor speakers aren't something to cheap out on. Whether you're just starting or building a full creative studio, these are the best monitors in 2025 that hit every level: budget, Pro, or somewhere in between. All the links are in the description, so check them out, compare what works best for your setup, and drop a comment with which pair you're thinking of picking up. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.